You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An Italian name. How do you say it? You might know a shop named that way or somebody. In Italian, it is pronounced as Scarpello. Because you have the double L, well, you want to stress on that double L, make it twice as long. Scarpello, Scarpello, not Scarpello, that would be Spanish, okay? Scarpello, or if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say it as Scarpello, Scarpello, Scarpello. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.